We will fry oyster mushrooms with caraway seeds and serve them on a sourdough toast. You will need oyster mushrooms, garlic, caraway, lard, salt, and bread. Peel 1 clove of garlic and slice it thinly. Clean the mushrooms and cut large mushrooms in half. Heat up a pan and add a dash of water. Add the mushrooms to the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of lard. Add 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. Add the garlic. Fry the mushrooms until all the water evaporates. Then, fry the mushrooms for a little bit longer, until the edges turn brown. Toast a slice of sourdough bread, and peel another clove of garlic. Smudge the garlic over the toast. Add the mushrooms on top, and sprinkle with salt.